In my building, where we tune, our job, we tune the engines, 4-stroke and 2-stroke, and we make a properly specific map for the ECU, second injector and track test. So in the free time, in the spare time, when we have it, after the GPs, because we are involved to the GPs, and for the motocross, MX, supercross, supermoto and quad and speedway racing, we build up some special bike. In this side we have a Honda 250 aluminum frame from the 17 with Honda 500 engines from the 90. This is very particular bike because they have a lot of accessories and some factory parts, and yeah, this is a very nice. And in the other side we have a Suzuki 250 frame with Honda 500 engine, 2-stroke. So this one we build up for a supercross rider, Angelo Pellegrini. And this one is also very particular because the engine is made for the supercross. So they have a lot of bottom and mid-range power for jumping out of the triples and the whoops and the different section of jumps. Also this one have a lot of carbon accessories and a lot of nice parts. So thanks to see the video and to listening the music of these beasts, and we'll see you next time with the next prototype. Thank you guys.